Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors coming to you to share the wrapped version of my last Christmas gift that I shared. I'm about to create another gift for you guys. So I'm going to put this one, I just did a little simple bow, and I'm going to start on the other gift. So in this gift guys, we're going to use this as a little bit smaller box. I take the lid to the base and I am going to put some craft paper in. Get my base set. Okay, get some tissue paper here to cover up that craft paper. And we're going to start designing here. Okay guys, so this is my base here. And the items that I plan to put in is this Betty Crocker chocolate chip mix, the Starbucks hot cocoa, a beautiful coffee mug, Christmas tree ornament, little Christmas pot. Let me take the little price off of this. Okay, so I have the label off finally. This spatula with the Christmas tree engraved in it. A little gingerbread man. All right, so we're going to get going. Let's see how I want to lay this out. Because this is so long, I want to get this in first. Put it at an angle to get it where I want it. Okay, so the next thing I want to put in, I am going to put the gingerbread man in this little container here, because my box is not really really big, so I'm going to use my space as best I can. I went ahead and I bought this hot cocoa, came in a box of 6, and I'm taking them out and using them individually in gifts. So I have a 4x6 plastic bag. So what I'm going to do is just taper this bag to the hot cocoa pack. Okay. Give it a cleaner finish. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it like the little gingerbread man is holding on to the cocoa, if I can get that done here. Okay, so I just have this little head peeking over the hot cocoa, and I'm going to put my coffee mug in. Just turn it with the handle to the back. Now I have my cookie mix. Let's see where I want to put my cookie mix. I think I'm going to fold my bag down for this cookie mix. Okay, so I just folded it under. So I just have the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix kind of peeping out from the box. Okay, guys, so I'm going to add in some cookie cutters as well. So I'll just put them in the back. Okay, guys, I'm going to change out my ornament. I'm going to use this piece ornament. And I'm going to put just a little bit of shred down in the coffee mug. Cover up the tissue paper and finish off the look of the gift. Okay, guys, so this is it. This is a nice little simple holiday gift. We have our gingerbread man. We have a little holiday tin he's in. We have some Starbucks hot cocoa. We have our coffee mug. We have a holiday spatula. We have some cookie cutters, and we have the Betty Crocker chocolate chip cookie mix. All right, guys, I think this is going to make a nice holiday gift. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm going to just give the box a spin. Okay. All right, guys. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.